Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Zhu. I come from Henan Lim Machinery Manufacturer Company. Today, I will introduce LM fish feed with pellet product line to you. This product line capacity is 300 to 400 kg per hour. It can produce fish feed size of 1 mm to 12 mm. This product line will be divided into 6 stages: crushing, mixing, pelleting, drying, oil spring seasoning, and cooling. This is a crusher. You put the green corns into the crusher. They will be ground into powder. And look inside of it. When the powder come out from the crusher, it will fall into this conveyor. After crushing, the raw material will be transported by it. And this is mixing. This is a mixer. Above it is a bulk bucket. Continuous operating of the mixer will be ensured by it. When the raw material are fully mixed, it will be transported by this screw conveyor. Third stage is pelleting. This is a wet type fish feed extruder. This is a broken bowl. This is a stainless conditioner. It can heat raw material, and this is a screw. It rotated to squeeze the raw material. The final raw material will be pelleted at this side, and this is air conveyor transport the feed to the dry phase. Fourth stage is drying. This is a horizontal dryer using circle has hot air to dry the feed. This is another air conveyor. It can transport the dry feed to the seasoning phase. Fifth stage is seasoning. A mist of the spray from this part to season the feed. This way, the fish will prefer to eat this feed. Look. And after seasoning, the dried and seasoned feed will be transported by another air conveyor to cooling phase. Last stage is cooling. This is a cooler. It cools the pelleted, dried, and seasoned feed here. This is sieve to filter out the dust. Make high